Well, ano na, 'di ba? Sinabi na nung Malacanang that the president will be outlining accomplishments, no? Sabi nga nung
Mhm.
secretary ng PCO, maraming, yun ang kanyang term, no? Maraming accomplishments, kaya dapat daw makinig lahat, no? Which I think is inappropriate, no? Kasi I'm sure si Attorney Belica alam to that the SONA is not the occasion for bragging,
Mhm.
no? The constitutional design of the SONA, or the constitutional intent, is that it is an address to Congress. Yan
Mhm.
ang nakalagay sa ating saligang batas. The President shall address the Congress on its first session day. Now, tama ba yun na ang Pangulo ay magmamayabang sa mga mambabatas natin, di ba? So, I think that's an inappropriate, possibly unconstitutional na gagamitin ang SONA as an occasion para mag-list ng quote-unquote accomplishments ang isang Pangulo.
Mhm. Attorney, so